So you went out and you bought a brand new anvil. That anvil comes with extremely sharp edges. And a sharp edge creates a coal shut. It cuts the metal. So we don't want that sharp edge to be there. We want to put a little radius to it. So you figure out a configuration of how you want to soften these edges up. Where are you going to use? What portion of this? So about the last 2 inches of the tail of that anvil, I'm going to put a little 1/4 inch radius in here. Then I'm going to leave this alone, except that I'm going to soften it up and put about a 1/16 radius on it. And then when I get up within about 1.5 inches of this front corner, I'm going to go back to that 1/4 inch. This whole back side I'm going to put at a 1/16 and then down to my 1/4 inch radius. Now that's my configuration. You can change this any way you want. You got to figure out what the job is you're doing and what portions you want to leave sharp or you want to leave round. We're going to start out with a flap disc. This is an 80 grit flap disc. We're going to be very careful when we do our 1/16 with it. It's just a slight pass, very fast. We'll spend a little more time on the areas we want to go to 1/4 inch. And then we're going to finish it off with a flat mill bastard file. So we'll start up in front. So I've roughed it in now. So I'm going to draw a file and smooth all these areas where I've just ground on. And remember, I'm trying to achieve a radius, not another straight edge, not another line. So I want this to be rounded. So I'm on all faces, slowly moving the angle of my file so that I create that radius. And there we are. Now we're ready to go to work.